So working some more basic nunchuck fundamentals, we have our figure 8. Looks like this. So starting from the shoulder, just think about you're going to make a giant X in front of you. So you can just keep your arms straight. And then once you can make the X, try to bring it more into the elbow and less in the shoulder. And then ultimately bring the spin into the wrist, clearing down. Okay? So you're making that X in front of you, movement in the wrist, elbow, shoulder. Elbow, shoulder. Okay? And it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So there's one spin on this side and one spin on that side. So 1-to-1. And that's our basic figure 8.